In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize YouTube videos using AI ChatGPT. This is a simple and efficient way to quickly grasp the content of any video without spending hours watching it. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once on the Google homepage, simply type ChatGPT into the search bar. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool developed to assist with various text-based tasks, and summarizing content is one of its helpful features. After entering the search term, you should see a list of results. Look for the official ChatGPT website and click on it. Upon landing on the ChatGPT site, you will notice a space where you can enter your prompts. This is where all the magic happens. In this section, type in an initial prompt. For instance, summarize this YouTube video. It's essential to be clear with your instructions to get the best results from the AI. Next, it's time to find the YouTube video that you want to summarize. Open a new tab, go to YouTube, and search for the video of your choice. Once you've found it, click on the video to open it. Here, your focus should be on the title of the video. Highlight and copy the entire title to ensure you capture the main subject accurately. With the video title copied, return to the ChatGPT tab. It's time to complete your prompt by pasting the video title right next to the introductory text you previously entered. This gives the AI all the context it needs to understand what you are asking it to summarize. After pasting the title, the next step is very straightforward. Click on the Submit button. This command informs ChatGPT to process your request and generate a summary based on the information provided. Within moments, ChatGPT will present you with a concise summary of the YouTube video, highlighting key points and main ideas. This summary can be incredibly useful, whether you're seeking a quick overview for study purposes, content creation, or just to satisfy your curiosity. And there you have it, a seamless process that utilizes the capabilities of AI to distill video content into brief, digestible summaries. Remember, while AI is a powerful tool, the quality of the summary can depend on the specificity and clarity of the prompt you provide. So, take a moment to consider your request before you hit Submit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. With ChatGPT, staying informed and making efficient use of your time is now more achievable than ever. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.